for you. Levy with your Rinda, come along. Learning, laughing, singing songs. Sweet little heart upon my face, sharing joy in every place.
Let's make today a little more indah. Hey friends, let's make today a little more indah. Today we are going to make an exciting adventure together in the forest. Are you ready? Let's start!
Wow, look around! We are in a beautiful forest. Can you say forest? Great job, everyone! Look, what is this? This is a tree. Can you say tree? Excellent! Trees are very important. Trees give us fresh air to breathe. They also give animals a place to live. Wow! Look at all the leaves. What color are the leaves? That's right, they are green. Oh, I found some flowers. Flowers are beautiful. Flowers come in many colors. Can you tell me your favorite color? Is it red or yellow or pink or purple? I like all of them. Oh no! The butterflies are flying away. Can you help me find it? There it is! Great job, everyone! Butterflies are so pretty. Wow! Look over there. It's a river. Can you say river? Great job. A river is a moving water. Can you hear the water? Rivers give water to plants, animals, and people. That's why we must keep our rivers clean. Should we throw rubbish into the river? No, that's right. We should always put our rubbish in the bin to help keep our rivers clean. Thank you for helping protect our nature.
Great job friends! I had so much fun learning with you guys. Next time we will go on another exciting adventure together. Until then, keep smiling and keep learning our nature. Goodbye!